Because there's been so much rain in South Africa, all of the sluice gates have been open in the dams, and then it causes flooding all down the country. I've never seen anything like it. So this is the Vaal River, which when you cross it becomes Transvaal, which means crossing the Vaal. And then this goes all the way down through the Orange Free State into the Orange River, which then flows out to the Atlantic Ocean on the border of South Africa and Namibia. But this is causing flooding everywhere, and it is quite fast flowing.